Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are back with this Js300 motor, and this is going into the Js300 right here. And so we're gonna go ahead and take it all apart. We have a brand new piston right in here and bored cylinder, and we're gonna take everything apart. We're gonna change the crank seals and inspect everything in the bottom end. And then we're gonna bolt it all back up together and throw some mods and go ripping. Alrighty guys, so let's go into some time lapse into just taking apart and yeah, go from there. So I need to take off this PDO. So I went ahead and bolted the engine down to the table, and I went ahead and grabbed the long flat screwdriver. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna pry it. It just pops right off. There you have it. I made me one of these also to support the crankshaft, and basically slotted my little part of steel and goes right over it, so it wouldn't damage the crank rod. There you have it. Boom, off. No damages. Guys, took off the stator side, and as you can tell, there's a rip right there in the seal, and I was having issues of it trying to rev up and die and just kind of lose power. So this is where the problem was, and good thing I'm gonna rebuild it, and it's a good thing to replace your crank seals and stuff. So good thing I caught this problem. So I'm at this point where I have to remove this starter clutch or the gear. And what I had to do is, it's pressed on, I had to use a flywheel puller. And on top of that, I got this tightened down and it wouldn't pop off. I tried it with the impact. So then I got it as tight as I could. Then it took me a 5-pound hammer. Actually, it's a 2-pound. And I gave it a good tap, probably 2 times, and that thing just sprung right off. So if anybody needs that help, here you go. Alrighty, so here it is. Got the crank all out. And as I was talking about, look at the seal. Completely deteriorated from the inside. So I had to beat it out from the both cases. Pry it up a little bit. Just slowly finesse with it. And was able to pop this crank out. So this is pretty much how to disassemble an engine. And before you know it, we'll be slapping on this new piston and bore and throwing a few goodies. And I'm going to clean this all up and start putting this thing together. Get this bad boy ripping. So here's my lightened flywheel. This is one of the mods. But that's just one of them. But yeah, thanks for watching. And hopefully you like this episode, and hopefully this helps some of you out. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Peace.